James, and I'm a faculty member at Borough of Manhattan Community College, which is right down the way over here. I'm also the PSC's legislative representative, and I'm here today to talk about the fitness of CUNY facilities with the council. This hearing is really about all the capital investment that we need to keep our existing infrastructure up and running. At BMCC, we're pretty lucky. I mean, hey, a tile didn't fall on my head today. My classroom wasn't leaking. Just like one roach walked across my computer. Not the end of the world, but some of our campuses really seriously are in a very dejected state, a long-term state of disrepair, especially our campuses that are in less affluent communities than BMCC. And this really sends a message to our faculty, staff, and our students about their value. We cannot provide a world-class public education this way. We can't fulfill our mission. So we're here to seek the money that we deserve and that our students deserve and that frankly our neighborhoods that use these facilities deserve for our buildings. And we're also here to remind the council and the mayor, right, that you also need to maintain buildings, and that takes staff. So when you have things like a hiring freeze and you can only bring back one person for every 3 that leave, how are you gonna keep things going, right? So capital money and general operating. Thanks so much for your support, City Council. See you inside.